Now this tutorial is a very basic, very crude example of a VLOOKUP. V and H lookups are tasks where you have to use maybe various tables or various worksheets in order to search for information. And I just want to demonstrate in a very basic way how this works, specifically on this occasion with a VLOOKUP. A VLOOKUP, so called as, well, the information you're looking for is stored vertically, i.e. top to bottom, going up and down the page. Now this table again is quite small, but it's quite possible to deal with tables that are 50, 70, even 100 entries, potentially at higher. So what are we actually looking for? What do we want to do here? Well, we have a customer, we have a waist size, and we have a size. And we want our table to actually be able to tell us whether size 33 waist is a small, a medium, a large, or an extra large. And yes, we are well aware it's quite simple just to look at the table and see, but there's always a point to formula. Formula simplifies things. Now, we want to do a VLOOKUP. Click on FX. Now, I've used VLOOKUPs plenty of times, so they are in my recently used function box. If it doesn't appear for you, as always, click up in this section, delete, type VLOOKUP, click go, and it will appear. Click on VLOOKUP, click OK. Now what am I looking for? What is my lookup value? Well, I'm looking for any incidents of size 33 waist. Now table array. Table array is where I want to look. Now I want to look where the waist size is shown in numbers and what that means in words. So I'm looking for the 20 to the small, and just copy that one down to highlight the whole array, to highlight all the variables, that is number and term. And very important that we absolute cell reference that, otherwise it won't work. Now, column index. We have two columns here, column F and column G. This is the column you want to look into, the value you want to return. So we want to look in column 2 because we've highlighted two columns. And this here, you can see the word medium has popped up. And that tells you the value it will return for that particular cell, in this case B3. So we want to look for B3 for size 33. We want to look over here in this table, and we want to return the values that are shown in the second column. Push OK, and we just copy it down. And we have looked up a table to return a value. Now, very simple, very straightforward. It does get more complicated. You will be expected to be able to do VLOOKUPs involving calculations, but for starters, very simple process. As always, lookup value is the number you want to find, table array is where we want to look, and column 2 is what you want to return.